What's going on, everybody? I hope you all have been well. You see my face, so you know what time it is. Time for some installs. Today, our friends over at Test Studio sent us some wishbone reflector lights. These are going to replace your bland reflector lights at the back of your Model 3 or your Model Y. This is perfect timing because I bought some for AliExpress for my girlfriend's car, and they're starting to flicker and get a little glitchy, so I'm a perfectionist. I don't like that. So we're going to install these from Test Studio. Let's get to it. So, out of the box, be sure to check out our friends over at Test Studio. Now, these are what the wishbone tail lights are going to look like. These black connector pieces right here are going to attach onto the wires, and those wires are going to attach onto this clip. When you attach these little black connectors to the wires, make sure that it's in the same order as the main one that you're going to be connecting to the taillight. Otherwise, they won't work. Alright, so there we have it, a complete installation of these amazing reflector lights for your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. Thank you again to our friends over at Test Studio for sending these over. Be sure to check them out. I've posted a link to their website and the product in the description. Use that code M3Jazz for 22% off of your entire order. Like always, y'all, be blessed, take care, and have a good day.